So in this video I want to show you how I made my scrunchie boards, my peg boards. You see that? Yeah, so the pegs are not in it at the moment. And then I made this at the back and some twine at the side to tie it. And put some hooks in there as well. Show you some videos of how we made it. We made it last year for my first market. So yeah, I've been meaning to make this video for a long time, but just hasn't happened yet. I've got all busy with markets, so I really wanted to get that done because I'm also making a big one for this season as well soon. So we used one big sheet of MDF, which is 12mm thick, and then I've got a bag full of my pegs, which are these. So the pine doweling or dowel, and diameter is 18mm. We bought it in really long bits actually. I think they were like 2 meters long, for about £8 each. I think for each board, I think I used about 3 for each board, or was it for both boards? I'm not really sure. So I've got a board for the XL scrunchies. This one is for the XL scrunchies, and I've got another one for the wide elastic scrunchies. So the XL scrunchie has a row 4 and down 4 as well, so it has 16 pegs in, and the wide elastic scrunchie has 5 across and 5 down, so that's 25 scrunchies, so 25 dowels, and that one about 15 centimeters long, so 18 by 15. So in order to get the holes in the boards, we also used a wood drill attachment with a 18mm diameter drill bit. Yes, so I'll show you how we made it. If you have any questions that I haven't talked about, please let me know. I'll look into that for you. Bit of pine there, and then these are a bit thinner, just a centimetre I think. Yeah, so we put 2 legs on first, put that one across, and put another one across here. Then we've got these little hooks. We've got one there and one here, so this one does not slide backwards. So you need some couple hinges, some pine strips, some MDF or pine. I painted it white. It probably needs another repaint because you do see marks on them. But once the scrunchies are on, you don't really see it anyway, to be honest. Do make sure that if you paint it, that not like me, that you paint the inside, or if you do, just make sure all the paint drips and stuff is out, because I had to sand a lot of them out because the dowels wouldn't go in like that. I kind of twist it a little bit so it's easier like that. Now, to determine how many pegs you want or where you want to have them placed, I put the scrunchies on the board, and then I see how I like the layout. So if you have minis, you probably want more pegs as well on there, or just put your product in a line how you want it, see how you want the spacing, and then divide of where you want it. So I think this space is double of this space here. We pre-drilled it first. Once we've done all that, then we went in with the bigger 18mm diameter drill, I'll try to keep the actual drill upright when you drill, because it's really easy to go a little bit to it yourself or push it too much or to the side, and then you get a bit wonky wonky holes, which if you put the pegs in, it's not straight, which we probably have a little bit. I'll put it up. Yeah, so they're not all perfectly straight. It's quite difficult to do, really. I suppose if you wanted to, you could put little shelves on top as well. And from the back, it looks like that. So it protrudes a little bit at the back. Yeah. So you get your scrunchies. And pop it like so. And a wide elastic. Yeah. So with the wide elastic, you can pop like 5 on. Yeah. So I hope that helps you about making your own pegboard. I can really recommend them. When I hear people coming up to my store, they often say like, "Oh, we saw you straight away. We love your display." Yeah, your scrunchies get seen so much more than when you have them in baskets laying just on the table. So yeah, I definitely recommend them. Let me know in the comments what you think of the pegboard, and you're going to make one yourself. Is this video helpful to you? Please let me know, and I will make some more videos about the new pegboard I'm going to make, which will probably be as towards May. These little display boards to put like headbands on, and this one for like the display bowls. So I'm going to make a video about that as well. My dad made these for me when I was in the Netherlands, so I did film him making them all for me. I couldn't do it myself, unfortunately. yeah, so if you're interested in that as well, let me know and I'll get that up soon as well. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like this video.